Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. So friends, this is a reminder video for all of you if you are from 24, 23, 22 to 2019 batch, because the mass hiring is started by some of the companies and it is started from Deloitte, it is started from IBM. So basically TCS, Autodesk, Netcore, they are also hiring the freshers batches as well as the college students. So the main motive of this video is to share the updates with all of you that the hiring is ongoing. Don't miss any update from these companies because the hiring application is very limited and the hiring test is in the upcoming days. Okay, let's start the video. One of the most important point, if you not applied for the previous opportunity, just check and apply now, because don't miss this hiring, because this all hirings are very good for all of you and we are sharing the latest hirings with all of you. Okay, as you can see on my screen that candidates receiving the test update from so many companies. Okay, so first opportunity is from Netcore. It is one of the biggest opportunity because it is for 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23 batch. Okay, the test is on 22 December. Apply for the opportunity. IBM officially announced the new opportunity, IBM CodeNeck Women in Tech. Okay, it is a CodeNeck opportunity, but it is a diversity hiring. So associate system engineer is the role. 2023 is the batch. If you not applied for the previous opportunity, you can still apply for the opportunity. You have to just simply fill the form. After that they will share the candidate reference number, and after that you have to fill the form to complete registration. If you are waiting for exam mail, don't apply for opportunity again, because the examination in the form of phases, so they will send the updates in the upcoming phase. Okay, TCS HackQuest Season 8 is announced and it is biggest opportunity for 24 batch students. Okay, they will offer you the Ninja digital opportunity as well according to your performance. Okay, Autodesk is hiring for freshers batch. 23 batch is eligible for this opportunity. Already candidates received the exam mail from the Autodesk. Okay, I already shared the update with all of you. Deloitte is hiring for the Open Talent Network. Deloitte is hiring through the Open Talent Network and it is for associate analyst BSc BCA student and associate analyst BBM BBA and BCom students. Don't miss this opportunity because it is a direct test. Okay, they will share all the details that is related. You have to apply to OTN. After that there is an online assessment interview and you can start your career as associate analyst. Okay, Recruit CRM is hiring for UI UX freshers 24 batch and they are hiring for customer success freshers 24. It is not a mass hiring because the number of opening is limited, like a number of opening is 10 to 20, because in the customer support they mentioned that number of opening is 10, but in the UI UX freshers, if you are fresh graduates in 24 in any field stream, okay, or who are holding a strong interest in UX designing or have done courses, so it is a good opportunity. So basically the stipend is 7,500 rupees for the part time and the full time is 12,000 rupees. After that there is a 5 lakh package. They are fully remote organization, so the entire process from application to selection will be virtual online mode. Post joining, the working mode will be online work from home. So don't miss this opportunity. Is completely work from home opportunity. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.